First cast.
No scoop today, my friend.
First cast too.
Baby bass.
I think that's a good sign, Peng.
Hi, Emma. Whoa. First cast, folks. Hi, Emma. This is a good sign today.
Yeah, it's a good sign. Any leg you go first cast, that's a good sign.
Oh, fuck. What's your power saving? Oh, yeah. Tôi thấy rồi lo. Anh là hai hả?
And I got one now. Dude. Oh, damn. It's a good.
That's a good size right there.
It's gonna be a good day, dude. It's gonna be a good day. Look at that.
That's fat, dude.
First fish. Damn. Me and Peng are just out here 5 minutes. We caught 2 fish already.
Yeah. I knew there was something in there. Come on, I go through here. There had to be something in there. I knew it. Yeah, con nhảy tầm mã. Ủa trời ơi, chùa hơi tài quả gì nữa nữa.
No one. Oh, you had too much slack, dude.
I did.
No, thổ swing cái tụi bé. Then you give it like that 2 second slack.
Nè, bắt cha tôi cho nó nghĩ cú xin nó hả?
Thích bị cơ này.
I know me. Oh, shit, nó có.
Yeah, nice color. Going. Fish? Oh, that's a good bass, dude. The worm?
Yeah. Đâu còn có chuột kia ha.
Yeah, dude, that's a nice one. Got another one? Yeah. No, that's a bass, fool.
Huh?
That's a bass. Yeah, that's a healthy, nice bass.
Yo, tôi cũng lo rồi.
Yo, who knows the life footers, aye? Maybe I gotta go back to a moving bait, huh?
Yo,
So enough.
this guy's bigger.
Oh, I got one too. Yes, double. Double. Look, we got double. It's hot. This leg is pretty good right now. Yo, có. Oh yeah. Just grab one. Let's see who you
Ồ, tụi nó lo hình nó thôi.
Yeah.
Tụi má. Của tên cho của stay splash, kid. I land, kid.
Woo!
Bitch ass. Lucky ass. That could have been mine, dude. I lost him too. Shiro. You think I might think about look, ah.
Yeah, nice fish, nice fish. Top water frog. Dude, this guy's a chunk. Woo! There's one. Yep. Oh. Oh, my jig came right off.
No.
That was a failed canoe flip. Got one. Yep.
What?
Oh, it's an northern dude. Yep. Drop shot, huh? Oh no, it's a decent one. Yo, no sky. My prediction was right.